dreaming.
If you're in a blue seat, you might get wet. Look, all of the seats are blue. Now, of course, we're not going to go anywhere until everybody sits down.
I can hardly see why I'm still chasing. It's not worth it for me anymore. Crashed and burned 100 times. I'm lost. I just can't let this go. Every last chance.
That's not normal. Hang on tight to those belongings. Your seats. As long as the ceiling doesn't fall down, we should be fine. Oh no, I did that. That's the ceiling coming down, and that's a fuel tanker headed right for the back cars. Oh no, that's on fire. Flames on the side of the track. Heaving breaths No, 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 no. That's not fair. We already did a flood today. Come on out of this soundstage. I want to run away. Please, skedaddle. All those things I want to do right now because another flood, ain't nobody got time for that. And give yourselves a round of applause. You did it. You made it through earthquake, the big one. You did it like real Angelinos. Some of you were laughing, some of you were crying, and that guy was asleep. Amazing. Swim to the boat. Get out of it. Bye, Felicia. I think maybe I should get you somewhere safe. So we'll just stay seated at all times and hold on to our belongings as we hide behind these flammable barrels stored next to oxygen tanks. That seems like a good idea. There's bait in that yellow barrel at the end of the dock, so if the shark is taking the whole dock, and I know that was not part of the plan, so maybe we should just get a... Oh my goodness. This pier is on fire. That's enough to distract the shark, and we'll just get out of here before it comes after us. Oh no, it's Jaws! It's Jaws 2! It's Jaws 3! It's Jaws, the Revenge. Wave hi to Bruce the Shark, everybody. No, he didn't see us. Okay, I think we're good. Norman's a little bit of a lady killer, so the less attention we can get from him would be better. We'll just kind of do our own thing and he'll... oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh, now he's definitely seen us. Okay, maybe now's a good time to go? Possibly? I don't know. I think... oh, yeah, leaving. Leaving is good. Leaving's very good. Norman, when I said bring a Sharpie to sign autographs, not even close to what I meant. Everybody's just filming. Fourth car, it was so nice knowing you guys. So there's 100 tons worth of debris, and a lot of the belongings were for the cast and crew. They brought them in and left them here around the lot.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that was all designed around a vision that Steve had.
We sit down to talk about the war of the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something we don't see.
But we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find.
Wait. My buddy Roman is supposed to be working next door. I wonder if I can patch into the system. Hey, Roman, can you hear me?
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you in Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone can give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
Sounds good. What better place to blend in than a dance party? So do your best seated dance moves, like the Dougie, the sprinkler, anything from Fortnite.
Everybody out! This is the FBI! Turn that music off! PI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. Slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
Okay, remove it.
It's about to get real interesting.
How much more interesting? Because I thought Shaw was good. That was enough interesting for me. Alright, they're leaving, so I guess we should too. Put those 3D glasses back on.
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Look him up. I got the move, man. I'm on. Drone's lining up the missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Homie, don't shoot. Head on the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold. Hit the entrance. Ride or die.
You did it! You survived Fast and Furious, supercharged, amazing. You got on board this tram as theme park guests. You're leaving as street racers. Respect.
You protected the witness and you can resume breathing.
It was crazy out there. You guys ran hard. Respect.
You know, my Mona Lisa got messed up a little bit, but it's all good. We got through it. Y'all held us down. Appreciate it.